The latest interview of Dr. Lupo with Intel's GPU architect Raja Kadori is definitely one of the best things I have seen in a while. The interview lasted half an hour and Raja Kadori gave some insights on the new Arc Alchemist graphics cards. Not only that, but he actually talked about Intel's future plans about gaming. While we already know that Intel is aiming for a decent gaming experience with Arc GPUs, Intel is not going to limit graphics cards to just playing video games, but also delivering features we don't have right now. According to Raja, Intel is right now not just focusing on great visuals, but also solving problems that millions of gamers are facing every day. Raja said that Intel is currently working on layers of software that will allow gamers to leverage their graphics cards. What that means is that you don't necessarily have to have a good gaming PC and you can use your friend's PC to play at your own home remotely. This means you won't necessarily have to spend money on monthly subscriptions such as Xbox Cloud Gaming, Nvidia GeForce Now or Vortex that have their own limitations. Great thing is that it is not just a rumor, as Raja himself confirmed this in the interview. However, this will take time and won't be possible just next year, but in the next 2 to 3 years we can expect this feature to go live. Currently we do have a few applications like TeamViewer that gives you remote access to someone else's PC. But you are limited in accessing host PC's full power. With Intel's new remote technology, this limit will no longer be there and gaming will feel like on your own PC. While you need to wait for this new technology for a couple of years, you don't necessarily have to wait that long for Intel's Arc GPUs. Raja confirmed that their graphics cards are way ahead of their beta testing and the samples are already with the board partners. This is very likely that the launch is very near, as Raja was streaming on a PC using an Arc Alchemist graphics card. Raja also said that they are optimizing their graphics cards for streaming games, as streaming has been growing significantly from the past few years. As streaming requires multiple applications running at the same time, affecting the gaming performance, Intel wants to reduce the impact on GPU, making Arc GPUs as good as AMD and Nvidia counterparts. While we don't really know if Intel can compete with the latest AMD and Nvidia graphics cards, all we need right now is that Intel establishes its base in the GPU market, which is also the main focus of the company. Lastly, how much you can expect Intel's graphics cards to affect GPU availability? Raja said that the shortage will be there for a while, but as we already know from numerous reports, things are definitely going to be better at the end of 2022. So that's it for today. I hope you liked the video, and if you did, make sure you subscribe to the channel because it is currently very small. But through your contribution, it will grow faster and I will be coming back to back with amazing content every time. Till then, goodbye.